Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov for today being the 23rd of September 2024. Like I always say, the most important thing about this puzzle Durov is placing the headshots in the tiles in the correct order. So now let's get into it. The first tile for today would be 4. The second tile for today would be 3. The third tile today would be 2. And the last tile for today would be 1. So the correct order for today is 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you find this video helpful in any way, please subscribe to this channel. Please support me, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that when I make these videos and upload them, you will be the first to get them. Thank you very much for staying with me on this one. I will see you on the next. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.